Hello children! Today, we're going to have our country name spelling that starts with letter A. Are you ready? Let's get started. Afghanistan. A F G H A N I S T A N Afghanistan. Albania. A L B A N I A Albania. Algeria. A L G E R I A Algeria. Andorra. A N D O R R A Andorra. Angola. A N G O L A Angola. Antigua and Barbuda. A N T I G U A N D B A R B U D A Antigua and Barbuda. Argentina. A R G E N T I N A Argentina. Armenia. A R M E N I A Armenia. Australia. A U S T R A L I A Australia. Austria. A U S T R I A Austria. Azerbaijan. A Z E R B A I J A N Azerbaijan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.